Hey, boys and girls. This is Tex. I want you to meet Tex. Say hi. Say hi, Tex. Hi. All right, and Tex is here to tell you more about angles, okay? So today you're going to do another Nearpod, okay? And today you're going to be measuring angles. I did a little chart here, guys, for you. All right, so I drew what tool is it that we use to measure angles? What do you think this is? This is my version of a protractor, right? A protractor measures angles. Okay, now on my protractor, I labeled it from 0 to 180, okay? So 0, and then I drew up to 90 degrees, okay? So I'm going to mark that 90-degree angle as a right angle. So here's my right angle. So a right angle is 90 degrees, okay? Now, if it's greater than 90 degrees, for example, 135, if it's greater than 90 degrees, it is a what? Obtuse angle. It's big. It's obtuse. So I label that as an obtuse angle. Now, look at that green. Look at that green, right? It's less than 90 degrees. So what would that be? Acute. It's so small and cute. Okay. So here I've measured my 3 types of angles, and then if it's a full line, a straight line, we've been learning about lines. It's called a straight angle because it is 180 degrees. And in the Nearpod today, you guys are going to have to do some matching with the degrees to the protractor that actually measures that, all right? So I made another visual. Okay, on this one, there's going to be 2 angles. You're going to see a green angle and you're going to see an orange angle, okay? So that green angle goes all the way from, well, all right, it's a big one, okay? I can clearly look at it and see that it's greater than 90 degrees, so I know it's going to be an obtuse angle. Now, I'm going to say that the smaller side right here, it's a little smidgen after 60. So I'm going to call that 62. Okay. And then it ends with way over here. And it's right after 160. So I'm going to call that 162. So if I take the small end away from the large end, I will have 162 minus 62 equals 100 degrees. Because right here at the 60, that whole first part from 0 to 62 has not been used. So I take 162 minus the 62 degrees. So that green angle is a 100-degree angle. And I would check that by thinking, does it look like an obtuse? Yes. So then does 100 degrees make sense? Yes. So that one is, the green is 100 degrees and it's an obtuse angle. Okay, then you have the orange angle. Now I'm looking and it's a small angle, right? So I'm going to think in my head, well, that's going to be an acute angle because it's small and cute, right? So the first strategy that we use is we took away the smaller end from the bigger end, right? Well, another way, if that's not a strategy that works for you, is you could just use it as a number line and count by tens. So if you'll notice, one of them is going from 80 to 120, okay? So if you'll notice up top, I just counted the tens from 80 to 120, and that's 4 tens. So if I skip my tens, that'd be from 80 to 90, it'd be 10, 20, 30, 40. So 4 tens would be 40 degrees. So that's 2 strategies to use to measure angles. Take away the small end from the large end, because we didn't use all of that before the small end, or just use the number line and count by tens. I would recommend the first strategy, but you use what works for you. Okay, talk to you soon.